Right, here we have the notes written out on our, we're just having the right hand at the moment with the treble clef. So we have the notes, I've written out the letter names so that if it's easier for you. And you know we're going to play from C up to C. We have the G there, F, E, D, C. So we do the alphabet from C, D, E, F, G. When we get to G, we start from the beginning of the alphabet again. So after the goose comes the ant, the bird, and the cat. So we've got goose, goose, fish, fish, egg, egg, dog. Goose, goose, fish, fish, egg, egg, dog. And then we carry on here. And then we have cat, cat, up to goose, goose, up to ant, goose, fish, fish, egg, egg, dog, dog, cat. And we can actually do it now by singing the words. If you know the words, we have them handy at home. Sing along as we play this together. And the parents at home, you may want to play this while your child sings with you. Or if you have older students, you can play it yourself. A we started with C for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This is in the key of C major, so we're going to start in C. Right. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Then we repeat this again.